In this tutorial, we will design this part in Solidworks. So let's get started. So this is 2D drawing of the part. In this drawing, we have given top view, right hand side view, and a curved section view. In the top view, you can see we have given here two circles of diameter 50 and 59 mm. Then we have to create this sketch. This distance is given to us 12.6 mm. This is of 5 mm, and from center to this circle it is 37 mm. Now I open here a new part and then we'll start with our top plane sketch. Let's draw circles here. We'll draw 3 circles like this, and let's assign some dimensions to this. Select here smart dimension. Give this bigger circle diameter of 74 mm. Enter. This circle 59, and this circle will be of 50. Right click and then select. Now you can see from the drawing we have created this circle of 37, this circle of 59 and 50 diameter circle. Now we have to create these holes of diameter 7 mm, and then we'll create this sketch. So let's select this outer circle and make it for construction geometry. As you can see, we have to create here hole of 38.5 mm diameter. So rather than extrude cut this, we will create this circle in this sketch itself. So I'll select here another circle, right click, select, then select smart dimension here. Give this circle a diameter of 38.5 mm. Okay. Now on this construction circle, we have to create holes. So select your circle, select this endpoint, draw one circle like this, smart dimension, and give this circle diameter of 7 mm. Enter, right click, select. Now we have to circular pattern this. So from here, select circular sketch pattern, select this circle and make here 8 number of entities, equal spacing and 360-degree that we have to keep here. Okay. Now we have to fully define this. So just select smart dimension, select the center point of this circle and this circle, give this dimension as it is, select OK, and give this center to center distance 37 as it is. Okay. So now it is fully defined. Now select here one center line. Like this, right click, select. Now select here one line, draw one line like this to here and join it here. Right click, select. As you can see, we have given this total, this distance is 12.6, the half of it will be 6.3 mm, and this distance we have given 5 mm. So select your smart dimension, give this 6.3 mm, this point to this point, this distance we have to give 5 mm, enter, right click and then select. Now select your mirror entities, select this line and this line, mirror about the center line. Okay. Now select smart dimension, select this line and this line. The angle between these two lines is that we have to give is, give it here 67.6 degree, enter, right click and then select OK. Now select this point and and this endpoint, make them horizontal. Okay. Now select your circular sketch pattern. Select these lines, 3 lines, and give your number of entities to be 8, 360-degree and equal spacing. Okay. Now we have to join these endpoints. So select your line, select this point and this endpoint. Then select another of these two endpoints, and like this we have to select all these endpoints and join the lines. Right click and then select trim entities and trim this. Okay. So now we have created our sketch. We just have to go to features and select here excluded boss face. Distance in this direction will be 6 mm. Then select this sketch. Okay. And then select OK. You can now see it is excluded. You have to select again the sketch. Select extruded boss face. Now we have to select this face and this sketch. Okay. Give your distance 21 mm. Then select direction 2. And in the second direction, you can see we have to extrude this 3 mm. So give your distance 3 mm. Okay. Now select OK. You can see it is extruded 21 mm in this direction and 3 mm in this direction. Now we have to cut this part. 4.5 mm distance and 65-degree angle. So select here right plane, sketch. First select here one center line like this. Now select here one line, draw one line like this. Right click and then select smart dimension. This point to this edge distance is 6 plus 5, that means 11 mm. And select this point and the end point of this distance we have to give is 4.5 mm. Okay. Now select again a center line, draw one horizontal line from this point like this. Select smart dimension, give the angle between these two lines 65-degree. Right click and then select. Now just select another line, draw one horizontal line and join it over here. Make this line to be vertical. Okay. Now select smart dimension, give this distance as it is. Okay. Select here OK. Now we will go to features and select here revolved cut. Axis of revolution will be the center axis, and you can see in the preview. Select here OK. Let's give some appearance to this. Edit appearance. That's it. I hope you like this tutorial. Please make sure to like, share and subscribe us. Thanks for watching.